I first heard of YBNL. I was at Harbin. This would have been spring of 2015, and I was about 3 weeks from heart surgery. I had agreed to have a heart operation to correct a sort of congenital defect, heart murmur sort of thing, and we were going to Harbin like every other week to do kind of spiritual prep, and I had some Kaiser, to their credit, was telling us all to do affirmations and visualizations, and so we were sort of hanging out between the pools and all that. And Tita comes and says, hey, there's this thing in the temple in a couple hours. It's this guy giving a talk about body language. And it's like, well, maybe, but let's go check it out and see what it's like. So we went, and I was sitting there, and there was Brian doing his thing, and frankly, I'm being a little skeptical. And he's giving his talk and all that. And then he starts calling for volunteers, and you had a couple before me, but then Tita had her experience. And I saw something that was pretty amazing. Something really changed both in her and the way the people in the room were reacting to her that was absolutely unambiguous. And so then it was right at the end. I remember the manager was saying, go, go. And she was in charge of the schedule. So as the yoga people were coming in to chase us out, and Brian did his first session on me, kind of as the room was changing all around me, and something shifted. Yeah, there was definitely a shift, and then I did the heart surgery, kind of got through it, did all the stuff I was supposed to do, came out more or less okay, started on the mend as soon as I possibly could. I wanted to get back in the water, so we were back at Harbin, and that's when we did the first workshop. And from then on, it was pretty clear this was something we really wanted to do, And then, of course, we were signed up for Energy Works the day after the Harbin fire, but we were determined to make Energy Works happen. It took us a couple of years, but we actually did help make it happen. So, we're on for the long haul at this point. It certainly has made some major shifts in my life in terms of putting stuff together and going forward from here.